The Tutco MC-5A temperature controller is a small heater control solution that works with a variety of our heating products. Using accepted safe practices, the Tutco MC-5A temperature controller is easy to install. The MC-5A should be installed in an area where the ambient temperature matches the room temperature. Velcro works well for mounting the controller to an appropriate surface. Connect the electrical supply lines to the leads on the side of the controller labeled power, making sure the wire is rated for a minimum of 5 amps continuous. It is recommended that a double pole switch or fusing or a circuit breaker be used in front of the MC-5A controller. Also consider using a high limit thermostat as an added layer of protection. To attach the heater to the controller, simply connect both the power and thermocouple connectors. If using a separate thermocouple, mount the thermocouple junction where the temperature regulation is desired. Your MC-5A controller is now ready to be operated.